Our time here in San Antonio is quickly coming to an end. It's been a fun time. We've been able to do many different things for the couple of days that we've been here. We've been to the museum, the zoo, the Japanese tea gardens, Tower of Americas, and we also did a Riverwalk boat cruise. We decided we'd spend our last evening down here on the Riverwalk. We came right over from the Tower of Americas because we're hungry. We're looking for something to eat. The other night when we were here, we weren't able to do much exploring on foot because it was dark and we were on the boat cruise. This is definitely a hotspot in town with a variety of restaurants, shops, hotels, and events. Speaking of hotels, check out this really cool Hilton that's near the Riverwalk. See how the rooms are squares? Each one of those rooms was pre-built and shipped to the site to put together like Legos. We finally picked a restaurant called Shiloh's. It's actually above the Riverwalk, so you have to go up the stairs to the street level. It's a German deli restaurant established in 1917, making it the oldest restaurant in San Antonio. I don't think I've had German food before, so I'm really looking forward to it. What are you doing, Judah? I will say the food is really good, so if you like German food or you want to try something new, go check out the restaurant. You won't be disappointed. So now we're going to head back down to the Riverwalk and do a little more exploring and just see what's happening. Oh, let's go see the musicians. Well, that concludes our time here in San Antonio. It's been a lot of fun. If you haven't checked out our other videos of the things that we've done here, be sure to check those out. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time.